Huh?
Yes.
No.
Someone was saying something. Okay. Hello everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Hope
ma'am.
everyone is safe. Hope everyone is doing well. Did you people started practicing the questions? I had also put that on the group from where you have to practice and what you have to practice. Every one of you have the practice books. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Also, you have been given for IPM student. You have an spiral bind book also with you. You have many practice books given with you. So start from packet one. Just take. I guess you will be having 2 packets, right? So start from packet one. Also, if you feel the questions are, you're done with that complete practice books. Also, log into your aspiration account. Okay, go to topic test over there. If you go to topic test, per topic you will have around like 7 tests. उसमें भी basic and advanced. So just imagine, और हर एक टेस्ट अगर आप ओपन करते हो 7 to 8 questions are there, might be 5 in some cases. So if you just check, it will be like almost 70 to 80 questions minimum. Got it? So इतने questions per topic, it is more than sufficient. उसके बाद में भी अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि you don't have questions, you can ask me. Is it okay? And if you have any doubts, you can anytime ask me. Anyone, any doubts right now? By the time other people are joining in. Anyone, any doubt? No doubts?
Ma'am,
Yes, Shantanu.
means I have a problem in one particular type of question.
Which
कि
question?
मतलब उधर मतलब वहाँ वो पूछते हैं कि they give a number and they power में कुछ नंबर रहता है and what will be the last 2 digits of this number ऐसा.
वो हुआ नहीं अभी तक, वो आज करने वाले हैं.
अच्छा हाँ वही उसी में.
वो हुआ ही नहीं, वो लिया नहीं है ना हम लोगों ने.
Ma'am, I also have a doubt.
Yes, tell me, Raj.
Ma'am, can I send the pics on WhatsApp?
Yeah, but send it in the group so that everyone will have the question. Again, otherwise I'll have to share it on the group.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, even I have a doubt.
Put the doubts on the group. So whatever you have now, what you can do is just before the session, the night prior to it, you can just post it on the group. And whenever you have doubt, just go on posting it on the group. If whenever I get time, I'll just send the solutions. If I don't get time, if I feel that WhatsApp पे वो explain करना difficult है, I mean अच्छी से I cannot explain ना, सब कुछ text में लिख के नहीं explain होता है, कभी कभी कुछ बोलना भी पड़ता है. So then I'll make it a point कि जैसे ही session start होएगा, I'll clear up all the doubts. Okay. Okay. So Raj has sent one pie chart over here, right, Raj? No. Which question, Raj? Question number 8, right?
Ma'am, both.
एक मिनट, ये कौन सा question है? Okay, question number 8. If the diagonal of a square is doubled, the area of the square is increased by. Now, Raj, over here, diagonal, we don't know how much it is. Now, what we can do over here is, let's say side is 2. Raj, diagonal क्या रहता है? 2 root 2?
Yes, ma'am.
You can find this using that Pythagoras theorem. You will get it as 2 root 2. Now, what you are saying, diagonal is doubled. So, what is your new diagonal? 2 into 2 root 2, right? So, it will be 4 root 2, correct? अब 4 root 2 के साथ में what would be the sides?
4.
4 क्या हुआ sides? अच्छा
4.
अच्छा just hold on. हाँ अभी okay, let's take a different number. वो 2 के साथ में problem आया हम लोगों को. Let's take it as 5. So this would be 5 root 2. correct? If you double this, but ये ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है? If the diagonal of a square is doubled, then the area of the square, okay, area we are talking about, okay. I thought sides का पूछा है. So now, Raj, what was area of this original triangle with side 2? 4. And what is the area over here? 16, correct? Raj, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now what is the increase in area? So always remember there is a formula. Percentage change is equal to final value minus initial value upon initial value into 100. Final value is 16. So it will be 16 minus 4 upon 4 into 100. कितना आएगा ये number, Raj? 12 upon 4, which is equal to how much?
300%.
Got it now? Raj, understood? Others also, did you people understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
next question. Question number 16. 11 plus root 6 upon, what is that? Root of 7 plus 2 root 6 is equal to x plus 2 root y. Then 5x plus y is equal to what? If we go with like squaring, will it help us? Okay, let's do one thing. Now, can I just rearrange these numbers like 11 plus root 6 upon x plus 2 root y is equal to root of 7 plus 2 root 6, okay? Now, let's try to remove this root sign from the denominator. When you try to do it, how do you do it? You multiply numerator and denominator by what number? By the conjugate of this number, right? What will be the conjugate of this number? X minus 2 root y, okay? And here it will be x minus 2 root y, okay? Now, in the denominator, if you see, which form is this? What is the form in the denominator? A minus b,
A minus b, a plus b.
which is a square plus b square. So denominator
A square minus b.
it will be x square minus 4y.
Yes.
Yeah. But ये square करने जाओगे तो बहुत
मैम x square plus 4y आएगा ना?
नहीं ना, a square minus b square का फॉर्मूला है ना वो ठीक है.
तो
मैं
माइनस
ये स्क्वायर रूट का साइन जब आप निकालोगे, स्क्वायर करोगे बोथ द साइड्स, ये ऊपर इतना बड़ा इक्वेशन. चलो लेट्स सी कैसे सॉल्व होता है, बट एक्स एंड वाई के टर्म्स में आएगा सब कुछ. कैन वी ट्राई टू कैंसिल आउट समथिंग ओवर हियर? इज इट पॉसिबल?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
We have to rationalize the first step only. You have interchanged the denominator. Therefore, your answer
I
is
did
wrong
that
related.
purposefully. I cannot rationalize. If I try to rationalize this number, what will happen? I mean, root sign. नहीं ना, उसको rationalize कैसे करोगे आप, ऋषि? इसको अगर आप rationalize करने जाओगे तो ऊपर में आप क्या multiply करोगे? Root of 7 minus 2 root 6, right? डिनोमिनेटर में भी रूट साइन रहेगा तो रूट साइन प्रिवलेंट रहेगा, वो निकलेगा नहीं rationalize करोगे तो अगर रूट को.
मैम पर अगर ऊपर रूट आया तो फिर कट हो सकता है, कुछ या कॉमन निकल सकता है, क्योंकि एक्स वाई हमें इस दूसरी साइड
देखो आप जो बोल रहे हो ना, डिनोमिनेटर में क्या होएगा ऋषि, यहाँ पे अगर इसको मैं रैशनलाइज करने जाऊँ ना, सर मल्टीप्लाई दैट नंबर बाय 7 minus 2 root 6, राइट? ठीक है. अभी इसको अगर आप मल्टीप्लाई करते हो, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करने से अच्छा तुम पहले इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके बताओ क्या मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है इसका. रूट साइड निकलता नहीं है पहली बात तो. ये क्या होगा? रूट ऑफ 12. समझ में आया क्या? यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग द इनसाइड नंबर्स, राइट? सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे व्हेन यू ट्राई टू पुट इट इन द रूट, यू विल गेट लाइक 49 minus 2 का स्क्वायर 4, 4 6 are 24. So 49 and 24. We are getting 25, right?
Yes.
Okay, तो फिर रूट साइन निकलेगा, correct? Yes.
Ma'am, can you explain it again?
I'll do it. Wait.
मैम क्योंकि सेकंड इक्वेशन ने हमें 5x प्लस वाई दिया है ना, तो x
तो
y
5 कहाँ ना कहाँ तो आना
डायरेक्ट
चाहिए, 5 मिल रहा है ना हम
हाँ।
लोगों को अभी, ठीक है. People see what we are doing over here is we are just rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing means what? जो भी नंबर दिया उसका जो टर्म है बीच का जो साइन है वो चेंज करो और न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर को उससे मल्टीप्लाई करो. So what you will get? You will multiply numerator and denominator by root of 7 minus 2 root 6. Okay, keep it as it is into 11 plus root 6. Denominator, when you try to multiply this number, this will be this into root 7 plus 2 root 6. Okay, now when you try to multiply root 3 into root 5, what happens? Root का साइन निकलता नहीं है, right? What you do? Root of 15, correct? Root prevalent है, but you are just multiplying the inside number. What are inside numbers? 7 minus 2 root 6 and 7 plus 2 root 6. Can I say it is of a form a plus b and a minus b?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what we will get in the denominator now? 7 का square 49. 49 minus 2 का square 4. 4 6 are 24. So 49 minus 24. What number we are getting? 25. Root sign is still there. What is root
Yes.
of 25? What is root of
5.
5? So what do we get? Like 7 minus 2 root 6. Okay. Plus 11 plus root 6 is upon 5 is equal to x plus 2 root y. Now, can we multiply 5 over here in the RHS?
Yes.
Yeah. So when you try to, just a sec, huh? Just a sec. Okay. So when you try to, and people, आपको दिखता है क्या इसमें कौन है? वेटिंग रूम में कौन है वो आप लोग को दिखता है क्या?
नो मैम.
नहीं मैम.
Oh, ma'am.
अच्छा ठीक है, because वो ये बहुत प्लेस ले रहा है. Okay. So when you try to multiply now, instead of opening, it is not possible to open this bracket in the numerator. So can we put that 11 plus root 6 in the denominator over here in the RHS? So what we will have in the LHS part, 7 minus 2 root 6 is equal to x plus, I'm just directly multiplying that 5 over here, 5x plus 10 root y upon 11 plus root 6. Okay. Now, again, can we rationalize the denominator of RHS? Possible?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
So when you try to do that, you will get 5x plus 10 root y, okay, into bracket 11 minus root 6. Conjugate is minus, you change the sign, or denominator में क्या आएगा? 11.
121.
121.
Yeah. 121
Minus
minus 6, which is what number you are getting?
115.
Correct? Okay.
Yeah.
So now just नहीं, but फिर भी अभी भी अटक रहे हैं अभी भी हम लोग. किसका वैल्यू पूछा है? 5x plus y. Okay, can we square over here to remove this and then we try to rationalize? Just let me try that way, okay, people? Let me do it that way first. So after the step, what we can do is squaring both the sides. While I square, what happens? The square root ka sign gets, eliminated. You're just left with 7 minus 2 root 6. And here you will get 11 plus root 6 the whole square. This would be equal to 5x plus 2 root y the whole square. Okay. Squaring on both the sides.
मैम 10 रूट हुआ है ना,
कहाँ पे?
मतलब 5 into 2.
Yes. 10 root y the whole square. So now just let's square the numbers first. Keep this as it is, 2 root 6 over here. When you square, you'll get 121 plus 4 root 6 ka square. It will become 6, right? So 121 plus 6 will give me 127 plus 22 root 6. ये समझा क्या? ये कैसे लिखा है मैंने?
हाँ, वो a square plus 2ab plus b square.
फॉर्मूला अप्लाई किया, दैट्स इट. ओके. अभी इसको अगर आप सॉल्व करते हो तो कहीं ना कहीं कुछ कांस्टेंट आएगा. यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे भी लिख लेते हैं. सो दिस विल बी लाइक 25, बट xy आ रहा है ना वापस. इसको कुछ मत करो, इसको एज इट इज रहने दो अभी. ये वाला स्क्वायर को यहाँ पे जो नंबर आएगा ना उसको फिर से स्क्वायर रूट कर लेंगे. सो ये स्क्वायर निकल जाएगा. बिकॉज अगर आप ये वाला एक्सपांड करोगे तो आपको x इंटू वाई का टर्म मिलेगा जो हमको फाइंड नहीं करना है. Are you getting this? So let's try to multiply. Just open the bracket. 127 into 7. So 49, 4, 18, 1, 889 minus 154 root 6 minus 254 root 6. इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? Minus 44 into 6, right? So 44 into 6, that means ये number 24 and 2. So this will be 264. Okay. So now further solving this, 889 minus 264, number you will get it as like 6, 2 and 5, 625, and 154 minus 254 root 6 will give me minus 100 root 6. Okay, this much is left at the RHS side. Okay, and LHS side, अभी इसका कुछ कर सकते हैं क्या हम लोग?
इसका रूट निकालेंगे ना मैम, मतलब 625 का रूट 25 हो जाएगा.
बट रूट कैसे निकालोगे? माइनस साइन है ना अभी भी बीच में.
हाँ.
कहाँ तक हम लोग पहुंचे हैं? Can we take 5 common out of here? और ये 5 यहाँ से eliminate कर देते हैं, and then we'll try to okay, let's take this 5 common out over here. If we take that common, और इसको भी है ना हम लोग को कुछ तो स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में डालना पड़ेगा. Now this is 25. 25 into 4.
मैम 25 कॉमन आएगा ना दोनों साइड से.
25, अच्छा 25 minus 25 into 4 is 100, right? 52. Can we make it like 2 root 6 the whole square? Can we do this? इसको expand करो तो 25 minus 2 root 6 क्या मिलता है बताओ? नहीं 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 नहीं, वैसा भी नहीं मिलेगा आपको. Take that 5 common out, उससे शायद वर्कआउट होगा. Tricky question. Tricky in the sense lengthy equation. If we take that 5 common over here, so 5 square is 25. Again taking 25 common out over here, you will be left with 25.
मैम दोनों साइड से 25 कट होगा ना.
वही कर रही हूँ. And you will be just left with like x plus 2 root y the whole square. We have to try to connect them, that's it. Okay. Okay, let me think on this. Okay, let's start with the other. If we want, we can just solve some other doubts. ये रहने दो, ये मैं करती हूँ. ये सोचना पड़ेगा मुझे कि यहाँ पे आगे क्या सिंप्लीफिकेशन हो सकता है. Is it okay? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. और कौन है? Soma. When converting decimal to fraction, do we need to further simplify the fraction? As in if we converted 4.16? No, leave. Soma, it depends on what, option is. You can just leave it, or depending on option, you can mark, further simplify it. Okay, that's it. इतने ही doubts थे. और किसी की तो भी थे ना? No,
Ma'am, I have sent the one.
that's, what's your name there?
Gargi.
Gagi, where you sent? Where you have sent?
Let me check, ma'am.
Just check the group. Because I can see just you have to put it on Crash Course 21.
Ma'am, I sent you on the personal.
I didn't get it, dear. I didn't get it.
Okay, I'll just put it on the group.
Is it right now you have sent me?
No. I sent you,
अरे यार,
maybe I sent you
गार्गी,
last week.
अभी वो इतना मुझे भी याद नहीं रहेगा ना कहाँ पे और नंबर भी सेव नहीं है. Put it on the group. That's what I'm saying. Put it on the group. And people just take screenshot of this. If anyone also gets it, you can also try it. I'm also thinking on this.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
earlier when we had class on the weekend, did you start with higher maths?
No.
Ma'am, are we going to do that?
We are going to do that. I mean, we are going to do that in a sequence now.
Okay.
I'm done with permutations, combinations. I didn't do coordinate geometry and trigonometry, logarithms. That's not done. Okay. Please be fast.
Ma'am, I've sent on the group.
Yeah. Question number 3, 1, 3, 10, and 37.
Yes.
This is near 9. This is near 36. This is near 1 ka square, right? नहीं.
Yes.
फिर उससे कुछ वर्कआउट नहीं हो रहा है. Difference कितने कितने का आ रहा है? 2, 7 and then the next difference that you are getting is 27. उससे भी नहीं वर्कआउट हो रहा है. One का square then 2 square minus square plus 1. Okay, Gargi, let me think on this also. Whenever I give you questions in between, I'll think on this and then I'll give you the answer for the same.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Priya,
Ma'am,
tell me.
I got the C. Ma'am, I know what's the answer.
Tell me, what is it?
Ma'am, it will be 1 into 4, which is 4, and then minus 3. Minus
Okay, 1 into 4 minus 1. 3
which is 3.
into 4 minus 2. 10 into 3 minus 3, right? Yes. Okay, Gargi, see the sequences. I'll just write it again. So the number that we got 1, 3, and then the next number was 10, and then it was 37. So 1 into 4 minus 1 will give me 3. 3 into 4 minus 2 will give me 12. Sorry, 3 4s are 12, minus 2 will give me 10. 10 into 4 minus 3, that is 40 minus 3 will give me 37. So 37 into 4 minus 4 karna padega. So 30 into 4, 120 plus 28, 148 minus 4 will give me 144. Okay, Gargi?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Nia.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Chalo. Now let's move on to today's topic. So we'll start with HCF and LCM. Let's see how much we can do. If we are done with HCF, LCM, we'll move towards the remainder theorem or might be towards the last digit. How to find the last digits of the numbers. Okay. So let's first start with HCF and LCM. Now, when we talk about HCF and LCM, first of all, what is the full form of HCF, LCM? Quickly.
Highest common factor,
Hi.
least common multiple.
Least common
Highest common
divisor.
factor and least common multiple, right? Just a sec. Okay, so when we are talking about HCF, HCF means highest common factor, right? Now, factors. What do you mean by factors? What are factors of 12?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah.
6, and 12.
Tell me all the, yeah. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. These are nothing but factors. Can I say these are also divisors of 12?
Ma'am,
Yes.
we cannot see the screen.
No, because it stopped working. I'm opening it again. That's the reason.
Acha, okay. हाँ, they are not multiples of 12, ma'am.
They are divisors. They are not multiples. They are divisor. वो divide करते हैं ना 12 को. So factor divisor एक ही word है. Synonyms है एक दूसरे के. Okay. Now what do you mean by prime factors? 12 के factors आपने बताया 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 12 को अगर prime मतलब factorize करना है तो कैसे लिखते हो आप इसको? ऐसा कुछ लिखते हो, right? So ये क्या किया आपने? Factorization किया. ये क्या लिखा आपने? Factors लिखे. Okay. So now when we are talking about HCF, now HCF find करने के there are two methods. I'll teach you both the methods. In fact, there are three methods. One is the method, if you know the tables well and best, you will get the HCF quickly. If you don't know, then we have two other methods also. So let's see if I want to calculate HCF of 12, 18, and let's say 54. Okay, मुझे इसका HCF find करना है. So how to go about with it? So what you have to do is just factorize them. एक साथ में फैक्टराइज करो. ना ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जिस जो 12 को भी फैक्टराइज करेगा, 18 को भी करेगा और 54 को भी करेगा?
2.
Give me a bigger number. Don't start with 2 at least.
6, ma'am.
3.
2s are 6, 3s are, and this will go 6. 9s are. Now further, can we factorize 2, 3 and 9 possible?
We can start with 3.
Common factor. No, we over here in HCF, if you get common factor between all the numbers, then only factorize further. Else don't do it. What you said, we'll do it in LCM. Okay. So over here, common factor that we have got 6. So what is HCF of 12, 18 and 54? That is nothing but 6. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
There's one more method which is called as division method. Normally we don't use it, but I'm still explaining it to you. So let's say if I want to calculate HCF of 12 and 18. What you have to do is put the bigger number over here, put 12 over here. Okay. After that, now try to divide it in a normal way. So it will be like 12 ones are 12, you are left with 6. Now, further you have to again go with the division, but now what will happen? Your divisor and dividend will change. So your new dividend will be your old divisor. Again, try to divide it. You have to, carry on this process till you get the remainder as 0. Got it? So 6 2s are 12, you got the remainder 0. You stop here. HCF, the last divisor, whatever you get is nothing but the HCF of those two numbers. Now let's say if you have 3 numbers, then what you will do? Nothing. Solve 2 numbers. Whatever HCF you get, divide that, divide the remaining number by that HCF. So again, 54 divided by 6. 54 is divisible by 6, right? So when I try to divide, I'll get the remainder as 0. And I'll stop my division here. And what is the HCF of all 3 numbers? That is 6. Understood this, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now further, let's say if I give you numbers 225, 625, 91. Okay, you have to find HCF of these numbers. Is it possible that we'll get any common factor over here?
No, ma'am.
We won't get any common factor, right? Why? So what will be the HCF over here if we don't get the common factor?
1.
1.
So when you don't get any common factor, 1 ऐसा number है जो भाई सबको divide करता है, सबको खुश रखता है. So in that case, HCF is 1. And these numbers are called as co-prime numbers. Like 91 is co-prime to 225. 91 is also co-prime to 625. Okay. But let's say if I just have a number 625 and 225, I want to find the HCF over here. If you know the table,
20.
then well and best. 25, how many are 225?
9.
9 are correct. And 25, how many are 625?
25.
25. तो हो गया इसको 9 25 को आगे फैक्टराइज नहीं कर सकते. What is the HCF getting? 25. So अगर tables पता है तो ये directly हो जाएगा. अगर नहीं, factorizing like you will do like first पहले आप 5 से करोगे. Okay, when you do it by 5 you will get 45 over here and 25 over here. नहीं. यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा आपको? 125. करेक्ट. 5 से फिर से करोगे, यहाँ पे मिलेगा और यहाँ पे 25 मिलेगा. अभी आगे नहीं होगा. So what is the HCF? Product of whatever numbers you get here in this column. Understood how to find HCF? And let's say अगर यहाँ पे division method से करना है, तो what you will do? 625 divided by 225. कितने से ट्राई करूं? कितने से ट्राई करूं? 2s, 3s, what number I should try with?
2s.
2s, how much I'll get?
450.
450. Okay, let's try to do it further. So what is the number that we are going to get over here? 125? 175? Correct ना? अब next step में क्या करोगे? What do you do in the next step?
Divide by 2, divide 225.
I'll make the dividend as 225. The last dividend. So 175 into what number will reach towards this 225?
Ones.
चला जाएगा? Exceed हो जाएगा?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So ones you will do. Okay, I'm just writing 175, right? When you try to further solve it, you get it as 50. Further doing it. Okay, 50. How many will reach near this number?
3s.
3s, you will get it as 150. You are left with what number? 25. Now, further, we are very sure
2s.
25 will divide. That means what is the answer? The last divisor, which is 25. Understood both the methods, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Now, quickly tell me what is the HCF of a number, two numbers I give you. Let's say I give you numbers 12 and 6. What is HCF of 12 and 6?
6.
6. Always remember, when one number is multiple of another number, the smaller number is the HCF and the bigger number is the LCM. Understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
What is HCF of two prime numbers?
1.
1. Okay. Now, this was about the HCF. Okay. Now let's see if I want to find HCF of x square y, x, y, z. What is HCF of x square y and x, y, z?
XY.
What is
XY.
common over here? This is nothing but like x into y, and this is x into y into z. Common क्या मिल रहा है मुझे xy? That means HCF is equal to what? xy. Now, what is HCF of x square plus 5x plus 6, x square plus 4x plus 4? कैसे find करोगे HCF यहाँ पे?
Plus 4x plus 4x.
Sorry. 4x plus 4. Yeah. How will you try to find out HCF over here?
All the common. So x square plus 4x plus 2. I think.
I mean, can we just try to find factors of these expression? How to find factors of x square plus 5x plus 6? Can I write this is nothing but x plus 2 into x plus 3? Did you understand why did I write this?
Yes, like solve the equation.
When you solve the quadratic equation, ये step मिलता है या नहीं मिलता है आपको?
मिलता है.
What is this? This is nothing but the factors. So solve it like a quadratic equation till this step. Okay. Similarly, what is the next term? Can I say it is nothing but x plus 2 the whole square? Now, from both the terms, what is the common term that you are getting?
X plus 2.
Plus 2.
So this is nothing but what? HCF. Understood? Understood this, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next one. If I ask you what is HCF of 5.6 and 0.21, how to find HCF over here? Okay, let's keep it on hold this question. Let's do LCM, and then by that, this number will become very easy for you. Okay. बाकी का जो समझा है वो समझा अभी तक?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's see LCM now. How to find LCM of the numbers? Now, let's say any numbers are given to us like 144, 16 and 32. Okay, और इसका हमको क्या find करना है? LCM. Again, the method is same, factorize. So किससे factorize करना start करोगे? You have to just 2 या 4 से करो.
Yes.
Yeah, so this will be 36 over here, 4 over here, and what number over here? 8. Again, by which number can I further factorize them? 4 again?
4.
Yeah, so 4 9s are 1s are, and further what number you will get it over here? 2. अब ये factorize हो रहा है क्या आगे?
नहीं.
नहीं. अभी ये जो vertical numbers है, ये जो numbers है इनको हम लोग बोलते हैं common factor. What are these called as? These are called as common factors. And the horizontal number you get in the last row, they are called as what? Uncommon factor. Okay. And always remember, LCM is nothing but common factors into uncommon factors. This is a very, very important formula because you will be using this formula, you will be applying this formula to solve many questions. और क्वेश्चंस आपको सिर्फ ऐसे नहीं आते फाइंड एलसीएम एंड एचसीएफ, सारे क्वेश्चंस ट्रिकी आते हैं एचसीएफ एलसीएम पे. तो ये फॉर्मूला बहुत सी जगह पे यूज होगा. ओके, अंडरस्टूड दिस एवरीवन?
Yes, ma'am.
या ओके. नाउ लेट्स से अगर यहाँ पे अभी तो 2 है, लेट्स से यहाँ पे अगर 6 होता, अभी नहीं है बट लेट्स से यहाँ पे 6 होता तो क्या
3.
अभी फिर से 3 से आप डिवाइड कर सकते हो ना. So you will divide that. HCF में ये नहीं कर सकते हो. HCF में जितने नंबर्स है उसमें अगर कॉमन है तो ही कॉमन निकलेगा. LCM में क्या है, अगर 2 में भी कॉमन है तो भी कॉमन निकाल सकते हो बाहर. ओके, so this will be 3 over here, 1 as it is लिख दोगे और here you will write 2. So further your answer will be what? 4 into 4 into 3 into 3 into 1 into 2. Understood this everyone? How to find LCM and HCF? If yes, quickly tell me what is LCM of two prime numbers.
LCM of what, ma'am?
Two prime numbers.
Their product.
2 and 3. LCM find करना है. कुछ common ही नहीं है उनमें. Common क्या है? 1. Uncommon क्या बचा? 2 and 3. So answer will be what? 2 into 3. That their product will be nothing but LCM of the two numbers. Got it? What is LCM of two co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers as in like I have number 21 and let's say another number is 99. नहीं 99 में तो कुछ कॉमन मिल जाएगा. I'll take a number 21 and 22. क्या मिलेगा इनमें? कॉमन कुछ मिल रहा है 21 22 में?
Their product, ma'am.
कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है. But these numbers are called as co-prime. Though they are not prime numbers, but एक दूसरे के साथ में जब वो आते हैं then they are co-prime to each other. मतलब उनमें कोई common factor नहीं है. In this case, when they don't have any common factor, LCM would be nothing but product of those two numbers. Okay. What is LCM of 36 and 72?
72.
72, right? And there is one more method of finding out LCM. Like let's say अगर मुझे 12 and 18 का LCM चाहिए, okay? अगर आपको tables अच्छी से आते हैं, what you have to do is start with a bigger number. Which is the bigger number over here? 18. Okay, 18 का टेबल बोलो दिमाग में, और जैसे कोई नंबर आपको मिलता है जो 12 के टेबल में भी आ रहा है, 18 के टेबल में भी आ रहा है, stop there itself. So 18 2s is 36. 36 आता है 12 के टेबल में?
Yes.
Yes. So what is the LCM over here? It's nothing. It's 6. Got it? Understood everyone how to find HCF and LCM?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is LCM of x square y and xyz? What is the common?
X.
Common क्या है? x y common. Common निकाल दिया, क्या बचा यहाँ पे? x यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे.
XZ.
So these are uncommon factors and these are common factors. And what will be the LCM? common factors into uncommon factors, then what will be our answer? X square y z. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. What is LCM of x plus 2 into x plus 3 and the other term is x plus 2 the whole square? क्या आएगा answer?
X plus 2 into X plus 3.
What is common between these two terms, this term and this term?
X
X
plus
plus
2
2.
into
X plus 2 common है, right?
Square.
Common terms क्या है? X plus 3 into X plus 2. इनका
Yeah.
product is nothing but LCM. When you try to multiply, what we are getting? X plus 2 the whole square into X plus 3. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So now this was about HCF and LCM. Now let's see HCF and LCM of fractions. Again, an important formula, HCF of fraction equal to HCF of numerators upon LCM of denominators. Okay, and similarly, LCM of fractions will be nothing but LCM of numerator divided by HCF of denominator. And mind well, the fractions that you are taking, they should be in the simplified form. Okay. If you don't take it in the simplified form, you will get different answers and the answers will be incorrect. So the rule over here is you have to first simplify the fractions and then apply this formula. Okay. So let's say if I want to calculate HCF of 7 upon 5 and let's say 14 upon 25. ये दोनों का मुझे HCF निकालना है. Are these fractions in the simplified form? These fractions, are they in simplified form?
Yes, ma'am.
So apply the formula. HCF find करना है. So what you will do? You'll find HCF of 7 and 12. What is HCF of 7 and 12?
1.
7 and 14.
No, it won't be 1.
7.
7 and 14.
Seven.
I'm sorry, 7
14,
and 14. What is the common?
7.
7. And what is LCM of 5 and 25?
5.
How come?
24.
LCM चाहिए.
25. ma'am.
25 ना? Least common multiple. 25 के टेबल में 5 नहीं आता है. Right? So answer over here is 7 upon 25. और अगर यही fraction का LCM find करना है तो?
25 upon 7.
So नहीं.
14 upon
14 upon 5.
LCM of numerator. Numerator क्या है आपके 7 and 14. उसका LCM क्या रहेगा? 14. And what you will get in the denominator? 5 and 5. HCF, that is 5.
5.
Understood? Now,
Yes.
if you understood this, now solve this question which I had given you 0.21 into 5 and 5.5 HCF of these two numbers. How can we get HCF of decimal numbers? We don't have any formula for decimal numbers, but we have formulas for fractions. Can we convert these decimals into fraction?
Yes.
So it will be 21 upon 100.
100.
And the other number would be what?
56 upon 10.
Upon
56 upon 10.
10, right? Further simplify this. Okay, so 56 and 10. You simplify it, you get it as 28 upon 5. Can we further simplify this number 28 and 5?
No, ma'am.
Keep it as it is. And what about 21 upon 100? वो already simplified form में. उसको आप simplify कर सकते हो, right? Okay. So now 21 and 28. आपको अगर ऐसे HCF find करना है ये fraction का, कैसे करोगे? What is common between 21 and 28?
I'm co-prime है.
कोप्राइम में तो आंसर क्या आएगा 1. 21 और 28 में कुछ कॉमन नहीं है. ए है ना कोप्राइम की 7 3s and 7 4s are right. So can we say 7 is the HCF over here?
Yes.
और 5 और 100 में क्या लेना है हमको? HCF या LCM?
LCM 100.
LCM 100. तो आंसर क्या है यहाँ पे? 0.07. ये समझा? ओके, अगर LCM फाइंड करना है वही नंबर्स का, हाउ टू फाइंड LCM? क्या रहेगा
LCM of
21 और
numerator
28 का?
21
7,
84 रहेगा मैम.
राइट. 3 यहाँ पे और 4 यहाँ पे, करेक्ट. अपॉन डिनोमिनेटर में अगर आप बात करते हो, नाउ what do we
5.
check in denominator? Do we check the LCM, I mean LCM or HCF?
HCF.
HCF. What is HCF of 105? 100 or 5 का HCF is 5. Right? So what will be our answer? It will be 84 upon 5. You can further solve it. Okay, so you will get that number as what? 16.8. Understood?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this was the basic theory about HCF and LCM. Anyone any doubts with this basic theory? Can I erase this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now let's solve few questions based on HCF and LCM. Hey, did I share the sheet? ये last class का ही sheet है. I had shared this on the group, right?
Yes ma'am.
Again, that screen has stopped. Okay. So just refer to that sheet. I'll tell you which questions. Just give me a moment. I'm just opening that board again. Okay, people. So I want you people now to try few questions which are based on HCF and LCM. I'll just tell you which questions you have to do. Start from like question number 12. I hope everyone has the sheet. It was already shared in the last class. Last Thursday I had shared that. Okay. So you have to solve question 12. Then try question number 13. Try question number 14, 15, 16 and 17. Okay, so you have to solve questions from 12 to 17. Give it a try. I give you, let's say, 7 minutes for these 5 questions. Question number 12 to question number 17. Try it.
Ma'am, I have opened the group, but I can't seem to find the questions.
Yes, ma'am. Even I cannot find the PDF.
Ma'am, you're on mute.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I was on mute. Okay. What you didn't find the document? Which PDF you didn't find there?
Ma'am, the questions that you told us to solve, that PDF.
Just give me a moment. I'll have to just go back to the Thursday. I'll resend it again on the group, okay? Yeah, I've sent it again. Solve questions 12 to 17. Everyone got the PDF now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, solve it.
Done, ma'am.
Who said that?
Shantanu, ma'am.
Very good, Shantanu.
Thank you.
Anybody else done?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Great, Rishi.
फैन लगाना पड़ू.
Hey, people, please mute. Okay, I'm so sorry, people. My daughter is crying a lot. That is the reason I'm getting, is it affecting you people? I'll just go on mute whenever I'm not speaking. Okay. Okay, so shall we discuss the questions one by one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Question. What is the smallest number which, when subtracted from 1936, the resultant number when divided by 9, 10 and 15 gives a remainder of 7 in each case? Now, एक कोई तो नंबर है, जब आप उसको 9 से 10 से और 15 से डिवाइड करते हो तो आपको रिमाइंडर हर केस में क्या मिलता है? 7, राइट? एक मेथड क्या है कि आप what is the question over here, which is the smallest number which when subtracted from 1936? So one method is what? You just subtract the given options from this number and check by dividing it by 9, 10, 15 and check whether you are getting the remainder 7 in each case or no. How many of you tried this method?
Me, ma'am.
Sorry, Shantanu, couldn't hear you.
Yes, I tried. I did that method.
Okay, so you did it by this method that you took the smallest number first, like 30, you subtracted, then you try dividing it by 9, 10 and 15 and you check whether you get 7 in each case or no. So this would be the more easier method and not a confusing method. The other method, if you go with conventional way, it would be, very confusing method, right? So what we can do over here is this 1936. Try subtracting the smallest number given in the option. So which is the smallest number that you have right now over here? 30. So if you try to subtract that, what is the number that you get? 1906. If you try to divide it by 9, and last class only we saw test of divisibility. Do you remember that? If you divide this number by 10, what is the remainder that you will get?
6.
6.
6.
And what remainder you want? 7. मतलब ये उसके बाद में next smallest number is 36. So 1936 minus 36 will give me what number? 1900. अब 1910 से तो directly divisible है, तो remainder मिलेगा क्या यहाँ पे?
नहीं.
मतलब ये भी गया. Okay. अब 1936 में से अगर आपने 37 minus कर दिया, then what is the number that you are getting? 1899.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now can I say this number is divisible by 9? 1899.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मतलब ये भी गया, बचा क्या ऑप्शन आपके पास में?
39.
करके देखते हो 1936 में से अगर आप 39 माइनस करते हो, व्हाट इज द नंबर दैट यू आर लेफ्ट विद? 1897, राइट? डिवाइडेड बाय 10,
हाँ.
रिमाइंडर मिलेगा। 9 से भी करोगे तो भी 7 मिलेगा, 15 से भी करोगे तो भी 7 मिलेगा।
7
समझा?
मिलेगा. Yes ma'am.
सर समझा सबको? ओके। और अगर यहाँ पे नन ऑफ दीज होता तो एक और ऑप्शन देती हूँ मैं, नन ऑफ दीज।
फिर भी 39 को ही मार्क कर देना मैम.
फिर भी 39 को, और अगर 39 से भी कोई स्मॉलर नंबर रहा तो? क्वेश्चन समझ में आया? क्या बोला, क्या पूछा मैंने अभी? ये
हाँ
मैं
हाँ हाँ.
समझ गया होगा, ये मेथड में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं था जो अभी हमने लिया, राइट? बट लेट्स से अगर यहाँ पे नन ऑफ दीज होता और 39 से भी, यहाँ पे आंसर 39 है फॉर श्योर है, ओके? 39 इज द ओनली स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर। बट व्हाट इफ अगर 39 से भी कोई स्मॉलर नंबर और वो लिस्ट में नहीं दिया है तो?
तो फिर none of these.
अरे बट अभी ऑप्शंस क्या है? 37, 36, 39, 30 एंड नन ऑफ दीज, राइट? 39 से हो गया, आपका आंसर आ गया। सो विल यू मार्क नन ऑफ दीज और विल यू मार्क 39?
39.
39 करेंगे ना.
बट माय क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट, कि अगर 30 एक्चुअल आंसर जो है वो 39 से कम है, लेट्स से 35 इज द आंसर व्हिच इज नॉट देयर इन द लिस्ट, and you are getting your answer at 39. 39 से divide कर रहे हो, you are getting number 7 as a remainder in each case. But what if the answer was 35? Are you getting my point over here? What I'm trying to ask you?
मैम
Yes.
तो ये मेथड ऑप्शन वाले मेथड से फिर
ऑप्शन वाले मेथड से फिर सॉल्व नहीं होगा, वही मुझे बोलना था। You cannot solve it by option method. So what method you can do? Let's see now how can we work. What is the smallest number which when subtracted from 1936? We don't know what is that number. Let that number be x. Okay. When divided, so after subtracting, when you divide this number, so it's like, you know, 1936 minus x, you divided by 9. The same number you divided by 10, and the same number you divided by what number? 15. What is the remainder in each cases you are getting?
7.
7, 7, 7. Okay. Now, if I want the remainder as 0, तो ये जो 1936 minus x है, इसमें मैं 7 को add करूं या 7 को subtract करूं? Okay, I'll give you one more example for that. Let's say I'm dividing 24 by 7. Okay. What is the remainder that I'm getting?
3.
3. मुझे रिमाइंडर 0 चाहिए, मतलब मुझे यहाँ पे ऐसा नंबर चाहिए जो 7 का मल्टीपल है। आप क्या करने की कोशिश करोगे? 3 नहीं चाहिए, मुझे 0 चाहिए। तो क्या
24 से 3
को माइनस करेंगे?
24 minus 3. So can I say 24 minus 3 is divisible by 7?
Yes.
Yes.
With the same logic, can I say that 19, अरे कहाँ गया ये नंबर? हाँ, 1936 minus x minus 7. This number is divisible by 9, 10 and 15.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So when I say if it is divisible, if this number is divisible by 9, 10 and 15, can I say this bracket is nothing but the LCM of 9, 10 and 15? Or any multiple of the LCM? Are you getting this point what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay. So
Yes,
first of all, 1936 minus 7 will give me what number? 1929 minus x is equal to LCM of 9, 10 and 15. Can we find LCM of 9, 10 and 15?
Yes.
What will be LCM
90.
of 9, 10 and 15? 10 और 15 का LCM क्या रहेगा? 10 and 15 LCM क्या रहेगा? 30.
30.
अभी 30 और 9 का LCM क्या रहेगा?
90.
90. So यहाँ पे हमको LCM क्या मिला? 90. Correct? Okay. Now, अब 90 आप डायरेक्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं करोगे, वो तो बहुत बड़ा नंबर मिलेगा, राइट? 90 का ऐसा कौन सा मल्टीपल है जो 1929 के पास में जाता है?
900.
1929 के पास में जाना है मुझे। I want multiple of 19 which is near to 1929.
9.
9 कैसे?
900.
900, but ये 1929 है डियर।
20
1800 के बाद में नहीं है क्यों?
1890 भी आएगा।
1890 आएगा, उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट मल्टीपल कौन सा आएगा?
18
1980
yes
1980.
1980
1980 are we near to this number now?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So can we say that 1929 minus x is equal to 1980? So what is the value of x that we are getting? नहीं, अभी भी कुछ तो गड़बड़ हुआ है, राइट? 80
मैम माइनस करके बड़ा वाला नंबर
माइनस
कैसे आएगा?
होगा, बड़ा नंबर थोड़ी आएगा।
राइट,
1890 लेना पड़ेगा।
1890 ले सकते हैं, 1890 लेवे?
Yes.
Yes. So if you subtract that number, what is the answer that you are getting? 39 आ रहा है?
39 में।
And that's the answer. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, got it. So I said answer is 39, but what if अगर आपको conventional method से solve करना होता तो this was the method. Otherwise, what is the shortcut over here? Go with options. Got it, everyone?
Ma'am, अगर option में there is something like none of the above, yeah, so that's when we will go with this method, right?
Yes. If you have none of the above, then you can go with this option method also. कि अगर किसी से divide नहीं हो रहा है, हाँ, but अगर divide हो गया किसी से and you are getting remainder as 7, you will have to do it by conventional method. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. The smallest number which when divided by 25, 30, 35 leaves remainder 11 in each case. So basically again you can go with option, but यहाँ पे एक और चीज क्या है? None of these है, right? Option से करोगे तो कैसे करोगे?
मैम 875 तो 25 का डिविजिबल है तो वो तो नहीं आएगा।
So basically आप क्या करोगे? यहाँ पे ये numbers जो दिया उसको 25, 30 और 35 से डिवाइड करके देखोगे और 11 रिमाइंडर आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है वो चेक करोगे। बट यहाँ पे सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
None of
None
these.
of these,
None of these.
right? मतलब हम लोग ये शॉर्टकट मेथड से नहीं सॉल्व कर सकते. We have to solve it by the method that we did right now. So there is a some number, we don't know what is that number. When you divide it by 25, what is the remainder that you get? 11. Similarly, when you divide the same number by 30, what is the remainder that you get? Again 11. Again, x you divided by 35, what is the remainder that you get? Again 11. So can I say x minus 11 is multiple of 25, 30 and 35, that is it is nothing but LCM of 25, 30 and 35. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now what is LCM of 25, 30 and 35? You can go with the factorization.
1050.
1050. Okay. So further we have to solve this, right? So x minus 11 is equal to 1050. So what is the value of x?
1061.
1061. Do we have that in the option?
No, ma'am.
No. So what is the answer?
None of these.
मैम बट इनमें मतलब ऐसे तीनों में से कोई भी रिमाइंडर 11 नहीं देता है तो मतलब कन्वेंशनल मेथड से भी क्या तो नन ऑफ दीज ही मतलब आएगा।
हाँ, कन्वेंशनल है वो शॉर्टकट मेथड था।
हाँ वही शॉर्टकट
वो मेथड तो आप लोग यूज करोगे ही करोगे, मैंने आपको वही बोला कि शॉर्टकट तो आप यूज करोगे, बट ये भी मेथड पता हो, इससे मैंने आपको बताया ये मेथड। अगर आप डिवाइड करके देखते हो ना तो कहीं पे भी रिमाइंडर 11 चेक करो, अभी 875 डायरेक्ट डिवाइड हो जाएगा 25 से, तो ये ऑप्शन तो गया, राइट? उसके बाद में अगर आप 30 से डिवाइड करते हो किसको भी तो लास्ट में एटलीस्ट 1 रहना चाहिए था ना कहीं पे, वो है ही नहीं आपके पास। 11 क्या रिमाइंडर अगर चाहिए और 30 है तो लास्ट में कहा ना कहा 1 तो चाहिए, वो कोई भी नंबर में नहीं है, तो ये ऑप्शन से वैसे ही रूल आउट हो गया, तो आंसर आपका वैसे भी नन ऑफ दीज था। बट दिस मेथड आल्सो यू शुड नो, इसलिए ये मेथड भी लिया है। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what is the minimum number which when divided by 4, 6 and 8 is remainder 2, 4, 6 respectively. Now, over here, do we need to go with the conventional method or can we directly see the answer?
Shortcut.
Directly
Shortcut.
answer.
Shortcut, right? So, कौन सा ऑप्शन है जिसको आप 4 से डिवाइड करते हो तो 2 रिमेन मिलता है?
22.
सारे ऑप्शंस में 28 गया
22.
तो डायरेक्टली डिविजिबल है, 30 गया क्योंकि वो 6 से डायरेक्टली डिविजिबल है, करेक्ट? बचा क्या? या तो 26 या तो 22.
Yes.
So now check with which answer you're getting the answer as the correct
22.
one.
22.
That's the answer. Okay. The next one. If the students of the class can be put into the group of 6, 8 or 10, what is the minimum number of students in the group? So basically we don't know how many students there. Let's say there are X student, but ये X students को अगर आप divide करते हो group में, okay? So it should be like what they are trying to say is कि आप group जब बना रहे हो तो या तो आपको सारे students को 6, 6, 6, 6 के group में बनाना पड़ेगा. We don't know how many 6, or else 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, or else 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. This is how you can do the grouping. So
Yes.
what exactly we have to find when we have to find X? Do we need to or do we need
Number
to
which is
find
divisible by 6, 8 and 10.
number which is divisible by 6 also, 8 also, and 10 also? That is, we are actually finding nothing but LCM. 6, 8, and 10.
120.
That is
Ma'am,
nothing but
so, like, is it an indicator if the word minimum and maximum is used?
no, please don't go with that. Many cases I'll tell you, if you go with this indicator once you have at least solved 25 to 30 questions on HCF LCM, because there is one or two certain type of question wherein the word uses minimum. Now see, in the same question, I'll just reframe this question, and let's say I'll tell that what is maximum number of groups that are possible. Question समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
So first question was, what is the minimum number of students in the class? You got it as 120, right? Now my question is, what is the maximum number of groups possible? अगर maximum number of groups चाहिए मुझे, तो हर एक group में मुझे minimum number of students डालना है, maximum students डालना है.
Minimum students डालना है.
मुझे ज्यादा से ज्यादा ग्रुप्स चाहिए तो मैं हर एक ग्रुप में ट्राई करूंगी कि कम से कम बच्चे जाए तो मेरे नंबर ऑफ ग्रुप्स बढ़ेंगे. दैट मींस कितने ग्रुप्स होने चाहिए मैक्स टू मैक्स मेरे पास?
120.
सो नहीं ना बेटा, 120 इज द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स.
मैम एक एक का ग्रुप बना है तो
एक हमको एक ग्रुप में कितने लोगों को डालना है? 6 6 6 6.
अच्छा. अरे हाँ.
अगर आप 6 6 6 6 डालोगे ऐसे कितने ग्रुप्स बनेंगे बाय द वे? 20.
20. हाँ.
ओके. अगर लेट्स से अगर मैं 8 का ग्रुप बनाती हूँ तो कितने ग्रुप्स ऐसे बनेंगे मेरे? 15.
15.
And what if I make like 10, 10,
12.
What is my question? What is the maximum number of groups possible? What is the maximum number over here?
20.
20.
And if at all my question, what is the minimum number of group possible then? 12.
12.
So don't go with maximum and minimum at this point because this might confuse you. अगर आप वो word के साथ जाते हो, हाँ, if you are very confident enough, you're getting all your answers correct on HCF and LCM, then you can surely go with that word. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Let's go on to the next one. The LCM and HCF of two positive integers is 78 and 13 respectively. If one of the number is 26, then what is the other number? Now, what is the HCF over here? What is
13.
HCF? 13.
13.
Now, what is, if at all I say that HCF is 13, can I say let numbers be of a form 13x and 13y? Where further I'll write one more point where x and y don't have any common factor. Are you getting this? What did I wrote over here? Right? We have a form 13x and 13y. What is HCF? Common factors. What is common between 13x and 13y?
13.
13y का common factor क्या है? 13 है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
अगर x और y में भी कुछ कॉमन रहता तो HCF 13 रहता क्या?
No, ma'am.
नहीं ना. So understood what numbers, and उसमें से भी एक नंबर उन्होंने ऑलरेडी दिया है. So let us say that this number they've already given us as 26. Okay. Now we have to find other number. Now what is the formula for LCM, by the way? You remember this formula, common factor into uncommon factor?
Common factor into uncommon factor.
What is the common factor over here?
13.
Okay, what are the uncommon factors?
X and Y.
Right? Okay. So what is the LCM given to us?
78.
Right? Okay. Now, first of all, 13 into any number gives me 78. Do we have such number?
6.
6, right? So what could be said about this x? And by the way, what is the value of y over here?
2.
So what is the value of x? 13
Three.
into what number you said me it is 78?
6.
x, right? उसमें से y क्या है आपका?
2 है.
Basically xy is equal to 6. उसमें से y already 2 है, तो x is equal to 3. So what is your answer?
39.
13x, which is equal to 39.
Ma'am,
हाँ बोलो.
or we can directly apply the formula कि LCM into HCF is equal to
No,
product
no,
of
no,
the number.
please, I don't know. बहुत सारे टेक्स्ट बुक्स में वो फॉर्मूला है. ट्रस्ट मी, बहुत से बार इनकरेक्ट हो जाता है वो.
हाँ मैम, वो फॉर्मूला बहुत बार इनकरेक्ट हो जाता है
प्लीज
क्योंकि
मत
अगर
यूज
3
करो.
वैल्यू आ
आई
गए
डोंट
तो.
नो व्हाई पीपल हैव पुट दैट इनटू द बुक्स. वो फॉर्मूला अप्लाई, आपने वही ना, HCF into LCM is product of two numbers, right?
हाँ.
Please don't use that formula.
Okay.
Go with this logic. इससे कभी भी रॉन्ग नहीं आएगा आंसर आपका. आप सॉल्व करके देखो, कभी ना कभी ऐसा होएगा कि आपका आंसर रॉन्ग आएगा, मैच नहीं होगा आपका आंसर सॉल्यूशन की के साथ.
मैम वो मैक्सिमम टाइम सिर्फ 2 वैल्यूज के लिए एप्लीकेबल होता है.
हाँ, 2 वैल्यूज. और ये इसमें पता है क्या, अगर 3 वैल्यूज भी रही ना तो भी आप इससे ये मेथड से वर्क कर सकते हो. मतलब कुछ
यस मैम.
एक्सप्रेशन रहेगा
हाँ.
इसमें, राइट? बट ये मेथड आप कहीं पे भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो. हम लोग
Yes, ma'am.
डेफिनेशन पे बेस कर रहे हैं. ये जो भी मेथड है, इट इज बेस्ड ऑन डेफिनेशन. ओके.
यस.
Find difference between HCF and LCM of these numbers. By the way, let's say if we want to find out HCF of these fractions, are these fractions in the simplified form first of all?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
HCF, what is HCF of 3, 4, 5?
1.
LCM 13, 39 का LCM क्या होता है? 39.
यस.
39 and 182. What is LCM of 39 and 182?
LCM.
कुछ कॉमन है क्या फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इनमें?
Yes.
39 is what? 13 into 3, right? ये 1
यस.
to divide होता है क्या? 3 से तो नहीं हो रहा है. 13,
नहीं है.
13 into 14 182 होता है मैम.
right? 13 into 14,
14.
right? So what is the LCM over here? Common क्या निकलेगा? 13. 1 into 3 into 14.
हाँ.
This is nothing but the LCM. So
546.
546, correct. And LCM that you will get over here? 3, 4 LCM is
60.
60 upon
13.
correct. और इसका क्या फाइंड करना है आपको?
Difference.
Difference. So basically what you are going to do over here, like 60 upon 13
Minus 1 upon.
minus 1 upon 546. 13 into what number will give you 546 into 14, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Solve it and get the answer. क्या आंसर आ रहा है?
None of these.
मतलब इतना करने के बाद none of these आ रहा है.
हाँ.
मतलब 2519 upon 546 आ रहा है.
2519 upon 546, and it has to be none of these, क्योंकि कहीं पे कोई सिंप्लीफाई करके भी ये नहीं आने वाला आंसर. ये एक मिनट इसको सिंप्लीफाई करो तो नहीं होएगा, नहीं होगा. So answer is none of these. Next question.
बस इतना ही दिया था.
इतना ही दिया था, but next question मतलब अभी next theory देखते हैं हम लोग. Okay.
हाँ.
Yeah. So anyone, any doubts with whatever we have taken as far as your HCF and LCM is concerned?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No? Okay. Abhi next type के questions is the question wherein you have to find the remainder. Now, if you understand this, method of finding out the remainders, it will really become very easy for you to solve the questions. So it is very important for you to understand the method, how to solve this. Okay. Now, over here, what is given? What is the remainder when 2 raised to 31 is divided by 5? Now, basically over here, 2 raised, ये 2 का power है, right? Okay. ये 2 के power को आप 5 से divide. Okay. By the way, what is divisibility test of 5?
0 or 5 as the last digit.
0 and 5.
0 or 5 at the last. What if the number is ending with 9? क्या रहेगा उसका remainder?
4.
4.
What if the number is ending with 4? What will be the remainder?
4.
4.
What if the number is ending with 8?
3.
तो बेसिकली अगर मुझे ये 2 raised to 31 का लास्ट डिजिट अगर मिल गया तो मेरा काम हो गया.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, okay. यहाँ पे 2 मेथड्स है, मैं दोनों मेथड्स आपको बताती हूँ. ओके, एक मेथड क्या है? 2 raised to 31. Okay, now can I write this 2 raised to 31 as 2 raised to 2 into some number. मतलब बेसिकली मुझे ये इंडेक्स जो है ना 31, इसमें से मुझे क्या करना है, नीचे मुझे 4 चाहिए. 4 raised to what number? I mean basically it will be like 2 raised to 2 चाहिए मुझे. Okay, and I want to raise it to some number and that should be equal to 2 raised to 31. कैसे करोगे? just think about it. कैसे कर सकते हो इसको?
31 को 2 से डिवाइड कर.
31 को 2 से डिवाइड किया तो क्या बचा? 15, right? So this will be nothing but still
15.
एक और 2 चाहिए मुझे. Yes or no? Can I write this 2? See, can I write this 2 raised to 31 as 2 raised to 30 into 2? Can I write this in this way?
Yes.
Yes. ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Can I write this 2 raised to 30 as 2 square raised to 15?
Yes.
I
Yes.
can do that. Okay. Now, what is 2 ka square?
4.
4.
4. Okay. 4 raised to 15 into 2. Keep this number as it is. Now, tell me people, what is the remainder when I divide 4 by 5? What is the remainder that I get?
1.
9.
4.
4.
I get the remainder as 4. Now, this is called as positive remainder. What is this called as?
Positive remainder.
There is one more concept which is called as negative remainder. Now, what is this negative remainder? ये जो नंबर है उसमें से अगर आप पॉजिटिव रिमाइंडर को माइनस करते हो तो क्या मिलता है आपको?
Negative remainder.
-1 is nothing but the negative remainder over here.
Yes.
ये समझ में आया क्या मैंने क्या किया है यहाँ पे? I'll explain it again. 4 को अगर आप 5 से डिवाइड करते हो तो what is the positive remainder that you are getting? 4. ये सबको पता है. Okay, but मुझे remainders जो भी चाहिए, whenever we have these type of questions, try to find out some number wherein you get 1 as the answer. Okay, and you can substitute this number over here. Like अगर मुझे find करना है, okay, let's say if I do like 4 raised to 5. Okay, what is the remainder in this case? What is the remainder in this case?
1.
1 या -1? अभी हम लोगों ने देखा क्या मिला?
-1.
-1.
तो 4 लिख दो, अभी के लिए 4 लिख दो. ओके, ना लेट्स से अगर मैंने 4 को स्क्वायर किया, ओके, एंड देन डिवाइडेड बाय 5, क्या रिमाइंडर मिलेगा मुझे? 1. ठीक है, अगर मैंने 4 का क्यूब, क्या रिमाइंडर मिलेगा मुझे यहाँ पे?
4.
So 4 का cube, if you do it will be 64. Again you will get it as 4. Again मैंने अगर इसके आगे वापस किया 4 raised to 4, मतलब क्या रिमाइंडर मिलेगा मुझे? Again 1. ये साइकिल चलते जा रहा है.
Yes.
Right? This cycle in mind. This is one thing that you have to keep in mind. Again coming back to that negative remainder. Now what does the rule says that? Okay, if you are finding out the remainder, okay, finding out the remainder. Now, what is 2 raised to 2 upon 4? What is the remainder in this case? If we say we want to find, sorry, upon 5 से divide कर रहे हैं. 2 का square is what? 4. divided by 5, what is the remainder that we are getting? Minus. So you can substitute this 2 raised to 2 by minus 1 over here. Okay. Now, what will be minus 1 raised to 15 upon 5?
मैम नहीं समझा -1 कैसे आ गया इसका?
Called as a negative remainder का concept. Okay. It's like, you know, अगर आप फाइंड करते हो ना, दो रिमाइंडर्स रहता है, एक तो पॉजिटिव रिमाइंडर रहता है और एक नेगेटिव रिमाइंडर रहता है. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस नेगेटिव रिमाइंडर? नेगेटिव रिमाइंडर आप कैसे फाइंड कर सकते हो? पहले पॉजिटिव रिमाइंडर, जो नॉर्मल रिमाइंडर आप फाइंड करते हो वैसे फाइंड करो. जैसे 4 divided by 5. What is the positive remainder that you got? 4, right? Now, let's say अगर आपको नेगेटिव रिमाइंडर फाइंड करना है तो आपको क्या करना है, वो जो नंबर था डिवाइजर था उसमें से वो पॉजिटिव रिमाइंडर को माइनस करो और साइन चेंज करो. क्या मिला नेगेटिव रिमाइंडर? -1.
सो मैम जहाँ पे भी हम 4 एज अ रिमाइंडर ले रहे हैं
उनमें अगर 4 के साथ सी, अगर मैं यहाँ पे 2 स्क्वायर लिखूं, राइट, 2 स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय 5 करूं तो मुझे रिमाइंडर क्या मिल रहा है? 4. अब 4 रेज़ टू 15 करना मुझे नहीं आता है, बट मुझे -1 रेज़ टू 15 करना आता है.
ओके मैम.
Which one is easy? Finding out 4 raised to 15 or -1 raised to 15?
-1.
What is -1 raised to 15?
-1.
So -1 divided by 5. What is the remainder that I'll get over here? और यहाँ पे एक और 2 बचा था, right? If you remember, हम लोगों ने ये नंबर को कैसे लिखा था? into 2. Okay? So into 2 अभी भी बचा है यहाँ पे. Okay? So what is -1 into 2?
-2.
-2. And what is -2 divided by 5? What is the remainder? -2 divided by 5. -2 only? Yes or no?
Yes.
See, -2 को माइनस साइन को छोड़ दो, 2 divided by 5 करो, क्या मिल रहा है रिमाइंडर? 2. 2. बट माइनस की वजह से रिमाइंडर क्या रहेगा? -2. बट आपके ऑप्शंस में कहीं पे भी नेगेटिव रिमाइंडर नहीं है, आपको पॉजिटिव रिमाइंडर चाहिए. तो अभी पॉजिटिव रिमाइंडर कैसे फाइंड करोगे आप? जो भी रिमाइंडर आया आपका, व्हाट वाज द फाइनल रिमाइंडर दैट यू गॉट? -2. So ये डिवाइजर था, that is 5 minus that number. What is the number that you are getting? And what's the answer? 3 over here. Did you understand this?
मैं लास्ट का स्टेप नहीं समझा.
I'll explain the complete thing again. Don't worry. Let's first of all clear up the concept of positive and negative remainder. How to find positive remainder, how to find negative remainder. Let's take few examples for positive and negative remainder. So 7 you divide by 8. What is the remainder? Quickly. 7 divided by 8. What is the remainder? 7. 8 zeros are 0. You are left with 7. This is nothing but what? Positive remainder. I want to find negative remainder. How do I find negative remainder?
8 minus 7.
That is -1 is the negative remainder. Got it? Now, if I divide 3 by 5, what is the remainder? 3 by 5. 3. This is what?
Positive.
If I want negative remainder, क्या करोगे?
3 minus 5 minus 2.
Minus 5 नहीं, 5 minus 3. So what you are getting? 2. But put that negative sign over there. Understood this? How to find negative remainders from the positive remainders? ये समझा क्या सबको? Is there anyone who understand this? Everyone understood this? Yeah. So now let's say if I find out the final answer, ठीक है, मेरा final answer आया है, let's say -6, okay? And मैंने ये number को divide किया था 7 के साथ में, so 7 was my divisor, okay? And -6 is nothing but my negative remainder. And now I want to find out positive remainder. क्या रहेगा answer? 7 में से 6 को minus करो, so what is that positive remainder that I'm getting? 1. Understood this, everyone? These 3 are different questions. Just making you understand the concept of positive and negative remainders. Understood? Yes, no, no भी बोला तो भी चलेगा, but बोलो कुछ तो.
So मैम हम लोग like negative remainder से positive remainder find out करने के लिए divisor से negative remainder को subtract
आपको
करेंगे.
नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव जाना है, पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव जाना है, डिवाइजर में से वो रिमाइंडर को माइनस करना और साइन चेंज करना है, दैट्स इट.
Okay मैम. And मैम हम लोग जब negative remainder ले रहे हैं तो हम सिर्फ value of 6 लेंगे ना, हम 7 minus 6 करेंगे, 7 plus 6 नहीं करेंगे.
नहीं, you are just taking that value. Sign you will put it as per positive you want or negative you want. Got it?
Okay ma'am.
Yeah. So now let's see this example over here. This 2 raised to 31. I can write this number as 2 raised to 30 into 2. Okay. But further, can I write 2 raised to 30 is nothing but 2 square raised to 15?
Yes ma'am.
But what is 2 square?
4.
4 raised to 15 divide point. I mean point nahi hai ye, into hai, into 2, right? Okay. Now when you divide 4 by 5, because they have asked us to divide it by 5. So what is the number that we are getting? What is the remainder that we get?
4.
What is this? This is a positive remainder. I cannot work with positive remainders. So I'm so sorry. I cannot work with 4 as a remainder because वो same ही number मिला ना मुझे, मैंने कुछ change ही नहीं किया वहाँ पे. But what will be the negative remainder in this case?
-1.
-1. So substitute the number by the remainder in the question. So it will be like -1 raised to 15 into 2, and now try to divide it by 5. But before dividing, what is -1 raised to 15?
-1.
-1 into 2 upon 5. What is -1 into 2? -2 upon 5. ये समझा?
Yes ma'am.
Let's see if you try to divide 2 by 5. What is the remainder that you will get?
2.
2. But this is which 2? -2? Yes or no?
Yes ma'am.
So if this is negative remainder, what will be the positive remainder over here?
3.
That will be 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. And that's nothing but your answer.
Ma'am, but like why did we convert it into 4? Why did we like take a 2 square? Couldn't.
I wanted a number which is near to 5. मुझे कैसे भी करके ये number के यहाँ पे 1 लाना था.
Okay ma'am.
Are you getting that? Okay, let's see यही question अगर हम लोग I'll just make another page of it. Just a second, it's loading. Oh no yaar, why it is stopping again and again? Just a second, people, I'll share that again.
Ma'am, you're on mute.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So what is the remainder when 2 raised to 31 you divided by 3? Okay. So 2 का ऐसा कौन सा पावर है जो 3 के आसपास में आता है, जहां से हमको 1 कहाँ ना कहाँ से इजीली मिल सकता है? Which power of 2 is near to 3? Hello, am I audible?
Yes ma'am.
Yeah. So 2 raised to 31, which is the power of 2 which is near to 3? What are powers of 2? 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, so on and so forth. So which is the power of 2 which we have like the number is near to 3?
4.
Hello people, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm 2 and 4.
4 and 2, right? So I'll try to work with 4 now. Okay, you can work with 2 also, but I'll show you by both the methods. Okay, I'll try with 4 now. So can we write this number is nothing but 2 raised to 15 into 2. Okay. Now this is nothing but 4 raised to 15 into 2. I'm dividing this number by 3. So before doing that, what is 4 divided by 3? What is the remainder that you are getting? 1. 1. So substitute this number by what? The remainder. So what is the number that we get? 1 raised to 15 into 2 upon, correct? So what is 1 raised to 15? Ayush, mute if you are not speaking over here. Okay, what is 1 raised to 15, everyone?
15.
Nahi re beta. 1 raised to 15 is 1. 1 into 2 will give me what? 2. 2 divided by 3. What is the remainder that we got? Ye samjha? So this was when we worked with 4. Now there is method. Now 2 raised to 31. Okay. Now tell me over here, अगर 2 को हम 3 से divide करते हैं तो क्या remainder मिलेगा? What is the remainder that you will get? 2, right? So 2 is nothing but what? It is a positive remainder. But मैं 2 को 2 से substitute करूँ, sense नहीं बन रहा है, right? What is the negative remainder over here? 3 minus 2, which
Minus 1.
is 1. So substituting 2 by minus 1 raised to 31 and then I divided by 3. Minus 1 raised to 31 कितना होता है? Minus 1?
Minus 1.
I divide this by 3. 1 divided by 3. What is the remainder?
1.
But ये minus 1 है, correct? अब minus 1 remainder नहीं हो सकता है ना? हम लोग क्या करते हैं हमेशा उसको positive में convert करते हैं, right? So positive में कैसे convert करोगे? 3 minus 1 आया, फिर से 2, दोनों आंसर्स मैच हुए.
और मैम अगर ऑप्शन में नेगेटिव रिमाइंडर्स दिए हैं तो फिर हम लोग को
Go with
convert
negative remainders. Go with negative remainders. It depends on option. क्या दिया option में? Yes, Ayush, you were saying something.
Ma'am, when we work with 4, how the remainder came to 2 by 3? How to?
You're saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is 4 divided by 3, Ayush? What is the remainder?
4 divided 1.
1. Always what I'm saying is whenever you are dividing, you can substitute the number by remainder whenever you want to find remainder. So 4 divided by 3, you are getting 1. So 4 को निकाल के वहाँ पे 1.
Yes.
तो 1 raised to 15 कितना होता है आयुष?
1.
1 और 1 into 2 ये point मतलब
2
into है, right? 1 2 से कितना आयुष? 2.
2.
अभी 2 divided by 3 करोगे आयुष तो क्या रिमाइंडर मिलेगा?
2 divided by 3. So remainder will be 1.
कैसे 1 बेटा? 3 0 0.
Yes, 2.
2. Got it now?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, Aditi.
मैम इंटू 2 कैसे आया है? 4 raised to 50 into 2.
कहाँ पे बोल रहा? 4 raised to 15 into 2. किधर 0 लिखा बेटा मैंने? Prajakta, what you were saying?
मैम 4 raised to 50 into 2 upon 3.
हाँ.
कैसे आया?
वो laws of indices से करते हैं. You remember एक law of indices था a raised to m bracket raised to n. क्या होता है? a raised to mn. पता है प्राजक्ता ये laws of indices?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So basically 2 raised to 30 को हम लोग see जैसे लास्ट इसमें किया था 2 raised to 31 को हमने क्या लिखा? 2 raised to 31 is nothing but 2 raised to 30 into 2. ये पता है ना प्राजक्ता?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या होता है 15 into 2? अभी समझा?
Yes.
Okay. Let's take one more. Okay. 5 raised to 51. You try to divide this number by 4. What is the remainder? 5 raised to 51, you try to divide it by 4. What is the remainder? Now, 5 raised to 51 divided by 4. 4 का ऐसा कौन सा पावर है जो 5 के पास में है? या 5 का ऐसा कौन सा पावर है जो 4 के पास में है?
4 raised to 1.
बेसिक नहीं, I made a wrong statement. 5 का ऐसा कौन सा पावर है जो 4 के पास में है? 5 is
5 raised to 1 only.
right now. So what is 5 divided by 4? What is the remainder?
1.
Okay. So can I substitute this 5 with the remainder as per the rule? So 1 raised to 51. What is 1 raised to 51?
1.
1.
What is 1 upon 4 remainder?
4.
How come 4? 1 divided by 4
1.
remainder, zeros are 0 and 1, right? So what is the answer over here? Answer is 1. समझा क्या अभी सबको ये कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं? मैं ये क्वेश्चंस कैसे सॉल्व कर रहे हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
पक्का? Anyone any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, on the same lines, I have one more in the list. Let me just check where is it. Okay, this one, interesting one. ये 3 raised to 5, 5 raised to 6 अलग अलग कर देते हैं. एक क्वेश्चन है 3 raised to 5, एक क्वेश्चन है 5 raised to 6. You divided by 4 in both the cases. Let's find the remainder over here. Now, what is 3 divided by 4? What is the remainder?
3.
3. ठीक है, but 3 को 3 से सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं कर सकते ना हम लोग, है ना?
नहीं.
क्या करेंगे? नेगेटिव रिमाइंडर फाइंड करेंगे. व्हाट इज नेगेटिव रिमाइंडर?
-2.
-1.
Sorry, -1.
4 minus 3, right? Can I substitute that over here? So it will be -1 raised to 5 upon 4. What is -1 raised to 5?
-1.
-1 divided by 4. What is the remainder? -1.
-1.
3.
Right? Keep it as it is. Keep it as it is. So either you get the remainder as 3 over here or you get the remainder as -1. Keep both the numbers as it is. So ये दोनों भी answers correct है. Now similarly 5 raised to 6 upon 4. What is 5 divided by 4? What is the remainder?
1.
1. Can I substitute this over here? So it will be like 1 raised to 6 upon 4. What is 1 raised to 6?
1.
1.
What is the remainder that we are getting over here?
1.
1.
1.
Okay. So now अभी यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है? You have to add them. मतलब एक जगह का रिमाइंडर और दूसरे जगह के रिमाइंडर को आपको ऐड करना है. If you are taking negative remainders, take negative remainders in both the cases. If you are taking positive remainders, take positive remainders in both the cases. So remainders, let's say हम लोग positive remainders के साथ वर्क करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे क्या मिला 3 और यहाँ पे क्या मिला 1. बट वो 4 आएगा. ऐसा कभी पॉसिबल है क्या? I mean 4 divided by 4 remainder is 4.
No.
4 divided by 4 करोगे तो रिमाइंडर क्या आएगा?
0.
0.
0. 0.
Remainder, sorry.
4 divided by 4. What is remainder?
0, sorry.
0. Right? Okay. If you work with negative remainders, यहाँ पे negative remainders क्या क्या मिला आपको? यहाँ पे -1 और यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा? -3. Add them. What do you get? -4. Again -4 upon 4. Logic, right? So can we पॉजिटिव रिमाइंडर के साथ आपने जब वर्क किया, यहाँ पे रिमाइंडर आपने 3 लिया, यहाँ पे रिमाइंडर आपने 1 लिया, ऐड किया, वापस से उसको 4 के साथ डिवाइड किया. सी यू फाउंड दिस. ये नंबर बेसिकली कैसे चलता है? इट वाज लाइक 3 raised to 5 प्लस 5 raised to 6 upon 4. ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, या तो फिर आप इसको 3 raised to 5 upon 4 प्लस 5 raised to 6 upon 4 भी कर सकते हो. राइट? हमने ये करके सॉल्व किया एंड फाइनली जब हम सॉल्व कर रहे, दोनों रिमाइंडर्स मिल गए, हम लोग उसको ऐड कर रहे हैं. ओके, व्हेन वी आर एडिंग देम वी आर गेटिंग नंबर 4. 4 को आप 4 से डिवाइड करोगे, व्हाट इज द रिमाइंडर दैट यू आर गेटिंग? अंडरस्टूड दिस एवरीवन?
मैम हमने फिर से उसको 4 से क्यों डिवाइड किया?
आपको डिवाइड जब तक करना है जब तक आपको 4 से कम नंबर नहीं मिलता.
ओके.
Got it? Next question.
Ma'am, can you solve the question which I have sent on the group
Which question you sent here?
just now?
Is it on the same lines?
Yes, ma'am.
Divisible by? It's not on the same line. It is not on the same line, divisible by this, the numbers which you have sent. For that, we have to, use this concept of cyclicity. Okay, Ayush? We've not yet taken the concept of cyclicity. We are just finding out the remainder. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, 344 raised to 23, you divided by 7. Now, 344. 7 का ऐसा कोई पावर है तो 344 के आसपास में है? Do we
343.
have any power of 7 which is near to 344?
7 raised to 3.
7 raised to 3. What is that number?
343.
343, correct? Okay, now when you're working with this number over here, so can we say that अगर मैंने 344 को 7 से divide करने की कोशिश की, what will be the remainder over here? You tell me.
1.
1.
Okay, so can I substitute 344 by 1? So it will be 1 raised to 20 divided by 7. Shreyas, Prajakta. So 344 को substitute करो 1 से, 1 raised to 23 आया, correct? 1 raised to 23 divided by 7. Can I say 1 raised to 23 is 1? You divided by 7. क्या remainder मिलेगा यहाँ पे?
1.
1.
Got it now?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So it's just that कि कहाँ ना कहाँ से 1 लाओ. अगर 1 लाते हो आंसर बहुत easy बन जाता है. Got it? Anyone, any doubts with this questions what we have taken?
No, ma'am.
Questions we are not yet done. That was the reason who sent me right now. Ayush. See, again, there is a
Ma'am, me, Raj.
sorry, Raj. नहीं, आयुष ने भेजा था अभी. Last question किसने भेजा था?
राज ने भेजा था मैम.
अच्छा, Raj. See, these are the type of question we are still left with. आपने ऐसे ही type का question भेजा मुझे, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we are still left with the theory of that. We didn't do that. And it's not possible now to cover that theory. That theory will take around like 15 to 20 minutes. So next class, we will be working with these type of questions. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. And आगे के जितने questions है, almost answer उससे आ जाएगा. So cyclicity का अगर concept लिया तो ये एक और किसी ने तो पूछा था large digit कैसे find करते. शांतनु, I guess आपने पूछा था. Is he there or he went? Okay. So next class we'll do the concept of cyclicity. After doing concept of cyclicity, we are almost done with number systems. उसके बाद में कुछ questions आते हैं तो those will be like I'll take care of the those questions in the class directly because there is no specific concept behind those type of questions. So almost number systems will be done by the next class when we are done with the concept of cyclicity. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Raj, I'll help you with
Yes,
your
ma'am.
question and solve
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
And I'll send the solution on the group. Okay, just give me some time.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll do that. Okay. Apart from this, anyone, anything to ask? Okay then. So HM and BBA group, let's see you tomorrow. Rest. See you in the next week. Bye. Take care.
मैम कल कौन सा सेशन लेने
थैंक
वाले
यू
हो?
मैम.
कल भी हम लोग यही करने वाले थे, बट एडवांस करेंगे क्वेश्चंस इससे.
मैम हम DI कब स्टार्ट करेंगे?
बहुत कुछ है करने को श्रिया. बोलो आप, बोलो. DI तो without doing percentages. Okay, so give some time. As it is, we have 1 year with us, right? Anyone planning this year also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
people are right now in which standard?
Well,
12. मैम क्रैश कोर्स में सब वैसे ही
Sorry,
है.
sorry. Crash course. I'm so sorry. सब यही साल के तो है. Okay.
हाँ.
Yes. Don't worry. As it is, notification वैसे भी आया नहीं है. सब कुछ कवर होगा. और जैसे ही notifications आएंगे तो number of classes भी बढ़ जाएंगे आपके, तो सब कुछ कवर होगा. ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
या
Okay,
बाय
ma'am.
एवरीवन, टेक केयर.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, man.